All of you, welcome back once again. We got an amazing response on this particular project, the way you guys have developed and follow the complete tutorial. So one student is facing this problem. That's why I'm making this recording to show you once again that how you have to do the setup. But you can watch this video which I have attached. It will work absolutely fine. You have to do the exact setup. So what I will do, once you will take the final source code, you can come back here and you will get the zip file. This is the zip file you will get. Make sure to extract the zip file. So I'll double click it and it's going to extract this. So if you don't have a zip extractor, make sure to install. Then you can able to extract this particular folder. And that's what you have to open in your VS Code. So I'll simply click on my VS Code. I'll come back here, click on open, go back to my download. And this is the folder I will select and click on open. Now let me give you a complete walkthrough. So as I already explained in detail that what exactly you will get in the final source code. So make sure to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to simply execute the project. So I'll come back here and make a zoom. And first thing I will do, I'll come back here in my environment variable. And these are the things you have to get. So here you have to provide your void address where you want to receive the commission. I'm going to do testing on the Devnet. This much commission I'm going to charge as a fee. And here you have to provide your Pinata API key and secret key. And here you have to get your API key for Tatum. So let's get this one by one. So what I will do, I'll come back here in my browser. I'll open my Phantom wallet. And right now you can see I have activated the test network. So if you don't have activated, you can come back here, go back to the activate network. And from here you can able to activate and close any one of the network. But if you want to go with the other network, you can go back to the developer setting. And from here you can activate the test network. Got it? And right now you can see I already have enough fund. And this fund I have in my wallet. So I'm going to use this account for creating and performing all the transaction and receiving the commission in the same wallet. So I'll simply copy and that's what I'm going to provide here. So that's the first thing you have to get. Got it? I'll simply provide this one. I'm going to do the testing on the Devnet. That's what I have activated. This is fine. And here I have to get my Pinata credential. So let's come back here, open a new type Pinata. Hit enter. It's a powerful platform which allows you to upload your document for absolutely free. So make sure to create your login, create your account, log in and verify your account. Then you will have your dashboard. So I'll simply click on this login. Once you will log into your dashboard, you will find your dashboard and all the files which you have uploaded. So to create a new API key, click on this API key. You will come back here and right now I don't have any API key. So I'll click on this new key and here you can call whatever you want. So I'll call this Solana token. I want to have the access of all the feature, which you can simply expand and you can see what are the features they are providing. So I want to have all the feature and click on this create. And that's how you can generate your API key and secret key. So we need these two. Simply first copy this one and that's what we have to provide. I'm showing you this credential, but I'm going to delete this. So you have to get your own. It's free. Copy the secret key and that's what I'm going to provide here. So I'll simply come back here, paste. So I got my secret key and API key. Now we have to get this Tatum, the RPC endpoint. So I'll simply come back here. I'll close this one, open a new type Tatum. It's a very powerful platform which give you the node. Make sure to create your account, verify your account. I already have my account, so I will log in straight away. And here I'm into my dashboard. I'm going to close this one. And here you will find the complete dashboard. So click on this blockchain. And here you will find the node provider. So I'm looking for Solana. So I'll simply come back here and let's try to find out the Solana one. So here we got the Solana, click here. And all you have to do is to simply get your credential. So make sure you have to use your own because I have a limited number of requests which you can make. So copy your credential and that's what you have to provide here. And that's the only thing you have to do. So we got all our environment variable, looks absolutely fine. Now what I will do, I'll come back here, open up my terminal and I'm going to start the application. So to start, before I do that, let me show you my node version. I have the latest one. It will work absolutely fine. Make sure to use the exact node version because all the packages we have used, it's focus on stability. I'll come back here and I can also check my NPM version, which is absolutely fine. We can have a look and looks absolutely incredible. Got it? Now I have to do the installation. To do that, I can type npm I, hit enter, installation of the packages. So no matter when you are developing this project, it will work absolutely fine as long as you maintain these packages and do the setup exactly the way I'm telling you. It will work absolutely fine because we are focused dedicatedly on the stability. Got it? So just wait. This might take a little bit time depending on your system, depending on your internet. So just wait. Let the installation get complete. Don't interrupt it. Finally, we're done with the installation and you might see this particular notice. Simply ignore that because we are focusing on stability. So this is all the thing, looks absolutely fine. Clear up your terminal. And now what we have to do is we have to execute this particular command. So every single thing is looking fine. Execute this command. Type npm run dev, hit enter and it's going to start the application on localhost 3000. We already using the most stable version, which is absolutely fine. Our application is ready. You can simply copy this one, minimize this, don't delete it. Okay, first close this one, minimize this, and now we can come back to the browser. I'll close this one, open a new tab, paste the URL, hit enter, and you will find that application is running absolutely fine in our local environment. And here the application is got started and every single thing is looking absolutely wonderful. Now the very first thing you have to do, obviously you have to connect your wallet. So I'll simply click here and I have the Phantom wallet, select Phantom, and I'm connected with the admin account. Now you will have this particular options and now you are ready to simply perform all the transaction. So what I will do, I'll click on this continue with token details and I can provide all of this details. So let's call this token details and I'll call this TD, and I want to give the description. So I come back here and I can get the descriptions right from here. So I can get this, but you can give your token description in details, and I will go with the standard, which is the common one is this. I'll go with 1 billion. Now you have to pick the image. So I'll come back here and I'll go with this, the blockchain encoder. I'll click on this open and you will find that it's selected. Now I can click on this continue, and this one is an optional one. You can provide it or you can just keep it as it is. I'll click on this continue and here you get the options. So you will find that how much fund I have. So I already have enough fund and this is the required fund you need to have, and which is enough. If you want to remove any one of these features, you can simply toggle this one and you will find the fund will be get updated. But I want to have all of this feature. Okay, I don't want to change. I'll click on this launch my token now, and here is going to perform the transaction. So first is going to upload the document. Here we got the options. You can see how much we are minting. Click on this confirm and the transaction is happening. Finally, the transaction is completed and we have performed the transaction and created our token. We got this one. Simply copy that one. You can also go back to the Explorer. There you will find the details. Right now we are on the mainnet. Switch back to the Devnet. You can come back here. You can copy the address. Come back here. We are on the Devnet. Now I can simply select, paste here, and you will find that here we got it. The wallet address, sorry, the token address. Click here. And you will find the details about the token. So just wait, taking a little bit time. Soon it's going to fetch out the details and you will have that. And here you will find all the details about the token which you have created, the token name, symbol, and the image. Every single thing is looking good perfectly. The transaction is completed. So that's how you have to do the setup. I hope you have understood that what are the feature and functionality we have included. This one is really powerful. Again, I will tell you to come back here and watch this video in which I have explained extensively. Okay, so you can watch this video as well, or if you watch this video, you can understand how to do the setup now. Simple process to do the setup. You can also come back to the blockchain coder, the source code section, and there you will find we have a multiple project. This is the most advanced project which has multiple currency support like ICO, staking, referral. This one is the advanced one. If you come back to the referral one, we have the AI projects. You can see the swap models. You have to see the bridge models. You have to see the Solana multi-currency. You will find the play to earn game. So check all of the project which we have, because when you will build this project, it will help you to give you the complete understanding and you can easily launch this straight away. So I hope you have understood every single thing, that what are the feature and functionality we have included and how you have to do the setup. So with that, I'm ending this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.